Hi everybody! I have a guest star today. It is the Pa. It is Pa's birthday on this weekend, so as is tradition a lot of the time, we're going on a steam train adventure. We're just approaching it now for our department from Duffield to Wirksworth. Come up the back of it here, so I'll record the journey as we go. You excited, Pa? We made it, Pa! Inside the car. Old school bathroom. We made it! So here's the train we came on, and they've got steam train awaiting. And here comes the train that brought us here. Good old diesel chugger. Here it comes. And as I leave Pa having a wee little sit down, it is going to be his 84th birthday, by the way, so he's doing very well to get this far. Bit of a cemetery seat behind me. I might have a look at that on the way back, but I'm going to go and have a look at the bakery that I've spied, and there's also a tea room. So I'm going to go and get some provisions for Pa and I, for us to recharge, and then head back in a couple of hours to the next train. While Pa has his pasty from, I think it was called Spencer's Bakery, just in case anybody wants to go there. It was very good. I stole their last cheese loaf.
Go on its bastards anyway.
Gonna go and look in the church now.
Yeah.
Be back in a moment. Pa. Let's go and have a look, since I can see people going in and out through the door. It's gonna be me. It's very grand. I want to see what it looks like inside. Welcome. The church is open for everyone. That doesn't happen very often, does it? In we go. Got some alabaster tombs. Let's go check them out. Wow. Oh. Look at the artistry. Look at it. This one too. Okay, so without knowing anything about that church, mega impressed by those tombs. I'm gonna take a quick around the cemetery itself now, as we are on a clock for when the next steam train goes back. So most of it is mown over. There isn't much really to be seen with the gravestones, but oh, awesome door. The knocker right in the middle. So old, it's barely holding on with a bit of rust. So yeah, as I was saying, like there's not much really here. There looks like there may have been a cross or pillar of some kind of the first one put here, perhaps. But like I said, without researching any history, I'm unsure. So apologies. Very old window. All the people probably tried to steal the lead. That's the reason why that's smashed. And a nice shot of the tower with the clock on. School grey that's turned up on its side. Awesome. These three look like they belong in Disneyland theme park, the way that they're next to each other. Like they're from Haunted Manor. Francis Tomlinson and the Tomlinson family. Okay, let's go retrieve the par and head back on this steam train back to Duffield. So we are preparing ourselves for the train back. What has been your thoughts on the day so far, Pa?
The Cornish pastures I've eaten.
You liked that the best, did you? So I'm pretty sure it's called Spencer's, the bakery. So everybody go to Spencer's because that was
very,
great.
very good. Well, I mean, a train ride was smashing anyway.
It was a lot longer than ones we've been on before.
Yeah.
And it's just the sound of steam trains, isn't it?
That's right. Yeah.
Just the chugging along.
It's going like they used to do over the crossings, isn't it?
Yep.
The joint in the railway lines.
Yep. It's lovely. So
very, very good.
We'll take the next one back and on this beautiful
take it
day.
from there.
It's a really nice day.
Been lucky with nice sunshine today, haven't we?
So we'll conclude it with our trip back. So
lovely.
From us, it's bye for now, everybody. So for the journey back, we got a Carter train, ain't we, Pa? So you pull this. Hi, Pa! And you open it up, and here we go.